Hi everyone, Erin Troy. I am currently at my placement right now. It's a crisis pregnancy center right on the outskirts of Philadelphia. We do everything from pregnancy testing, STD testing, ultrasounds, educational Earn While You Learn programs for material assistance. Um, Anything that a woman or mother would need, we pretty much do it here. So that's my placement. What else? What do I enjoy about my placement? The people here are awesome. They're all named Melanie. There's three, which is very weird. Um, I would say probably like the chance to apply some of the stuff that we actually learned and, put it to work and see the results of it. So that's an enjoyment. Challenges, I have to say the language barrier is still a massive challenge for me. I still can have a very hard time understanding thick dialect or their accents and stuff on the phone because we're in a very transient area. A lot of thick South African, and I mean, everyone here says I'm going to get it, but I can't. Maybe I'll get it in August, like right when time's up. Um, let's see. What did I learn about myself? I need better organization skills with my time and my assignments because I start handing in things late and it makes me anxious. So I definitely need to re-examine how I'm going to organize my time and all the assignments. And I think that's about it. Everything else is going great. So look forward to watching all of your videos, and I hope you had a wonderful day.